What's up, everybody? My name is Kevin, and in this video I'm going to show you step by step on how you can create a new Binance account. I'm also going to show you how you can secure that account using two-factor authentication, and thirdly I'm going to show you how you do an identity verification so that we can fund our account using fiat currency to buy the cryptocurrency. And before we get on into this video, please make sure that you subscribe, because every day we give new videos every day. And yesterday we created a secure email address that we are going to use on the Binance platform. Actually, on this channel we create more and more tutorials on how you can do crypto stuff. So if you're new or if you haven't subscribed already, smash the subscribe button, turn off the notification bell, because we are giving you one video every day. If you're new to this video, yesterday we created a secure email. So if you have missed that video, just check in here or just link it here so that you can follow along with us. So without further ado, let's get into it. So using the email that we created yesterday, we're just going to use it to register here. If you're new to Binance, Binance normally changes their interface time to time, and maybe depending on when you're going to see this video, maybe the interface changed. So make sure that you find this register button, because it might be somewhere here, it might be here. So but we're going to click the register button. And again, if you're finding some problems on getting into your account, click the link in the description below. It will actually take you to this page. So make sure that sign up using the link in the description. It will actually take you to the correct page. So welcome to Binance, and you can continue with Apple, but sign up with email. Our case that we created a secure email. That is the email that you are going to use to sign up for Binance. So just click sign up, phone or email. So in this one, it will actually take you to this page, and this page you actually choose where you are. So by default it now takes you to the default where you are currently. So if that is, you just confirm, but I'll just choose a different one here, another country. So I'm just showing you how you can choose another country from this drop down. And I'm just going to choose this one over here, and then I'm going to confirm. Now we have chosen our country, or the country you are in, or the country you're living in right now. You just choose that. We have two forms of creating an account here. You can use your phone number, or you can use your email address. So today we are going to use the email address that we created yesterday, because that email is the best email, and I insist that email is the best because it's secure from end to end. It's more secure than any other email that you've been using, and I recommend that you use that email here at protonmail.com. Then you put a password of it. Once you've typed your password, then there is a referral ID over here. I'm just going to paste mine. Now you should know that when you use this referral ID that I'm giving you, you're going to get 10% off in trading fees on each trade that you're going to make on Binance. That is to say, if you're going to make like 1,000 trades, each and every fee. Binance normally take fees from each trade. So it might be 0.001%, 1% of your overall trade. But if you use this code, then you'll actually get a 10% off in every trade. Now that will be beneficial if you're going to use to do more and more trades on the Binance platform. I'm also going to link in the description below. Let's not leave money on the table here, guys. Just use that ID to get your 10% off. Now you should click this agree to receive email updates on Binance. Binance now will send you their email updates because you're now in the system. Then you agree with terms and conditions, and then you create an account. Then you're going to do a security verification here, because Binance now think that you're a bot. So you have to do this thing over here, so that Binance sees you as a normal human being. It's just easy like that, and then it will take you to this page. Then you'll receive a verification code sent to your email address. I'm just going to check mine here and then put it here and then submit. So I will have now verified my email address for sign up with Binance. I've actually logged into my email, and this is the verification code that have been sent by Binance, because this is the mail that we created yesterday, if you can remember. Now if you scroll down, you'll get this is your verification code. Okay, so you take that code, you copy it, and then you paste this here, then you submit. You should do that within 30 minutes, before 30 minutes ends, that is. And then Binance will take you to this page. And now you want to verify yourself. Binance need immediate verification. You can do it here. You can verify yourself from here. Now you might get this verify button over here, or sometimes not. So if you don't find it here, I'm just going to show you where you can find it. And for the sake of those guys who will not find it here, I just want you to click your account username here, and then go to identification. Binance will actually give you this account to do your verification. So we are just going to verify ourselves. If you have personal ID from that country, it's just okay, you can just use that, but I prefer that you use the country that your own country, you are now based there. Just choose from that country, but I'm just going to choose my country down here, and then start your verification. And now it will take you to this page. In this page now, it will now give you your country that you've chosen there, your first name, your last name, your middle name, and your date of birth. I'm just going to put mine here. I'll just blur it for security purposes. And once you're done, you click continue. Then your residential address, you just also put your residential address here. I'm just going to put mine. Just put your US. Just put your residential address here. Then you continue. On this page, now you give your identity verification. Now the identity verification will be your ID card or your passport. Choose whatever you want. I'm just going to choose my ID here, my national ID, and then continue. On this page, you click continue, and then you take a photo of front of your ID and back of your ID. You just use the camera. Now this one, the Binance now wants you to allow the camera. If you're using a laptop with a camera, you just use that one, then you allow. If your device doesn't have a camera, because I understand that some of you guys are using devices without camera, you just choose my device here, then you download the Binance application app. Then on that, you can now use that one to identify yourself. Android, whether Android or iPhone, you can just click here and you can go step by step to download your phone. But if you have a camera, you just choose here and then you take a photo. I'm just going to choose mine here, and I'm just going to do mine, and then I'll be back. Yeah, and some of you guys might get some challenges. If you are having some challenges, your computer or your laptop, then just click my device doesn't have a camera. If you have an Android on iPhone, you just download the Binance app. You can download your Binance phone app, and then after you do that, then let me just show you what you can do. There is top here. You can just tap this thing here. You see it? Just tap this thing here, and then it will now want you to scan the QR code. And after you do that, then it will actually want you to log in. You see? It will actually want you to log in. Then you'll actually log in from your app and then do everything from your phone. So just go and do that. After you log in, you'll come to this page. It will actually tell you that you're required to complete the intermediate verification to access the Binance services. You just go and confirm and do that. Once you submit your documents, your government or the personal information, the government issued ID, and the facial recognition, then you'll see this under review. And then after that, they will review it, and after they do the review of everything, you will now have a fiat deposit withdrawal limits of for $50K daily, $50K daily, 8 million Binance USD daily, and P2P transaction unlimited, and other features. We also want to do another security verification. Now this one is about your phone. So let's go to security verification as we wait for the other verification, the government ID and and KYC. The KYC means that know your customer. Binance want to know who you are. So we have this. We had already verified our email address, and now we want to now verify the two-factor authentication. Now this will be the security key, the Binance Authenticator, and phone verification. This is what Binance recommends. You can use this one under your phone number, but Binance recommend the Google Authenticator. So you're just going to enable that. Now you choose your all Google Authenticator, Binance Authenticator and Google Authenticator, or you can go use the Google Authenticator and then go next, and then you can scan this one. You can use the Binance Authenticator and Google Authenticator, but yesterday we used the Google Authenticator, so we're just going to use the Google Authenticator and click next. And then now, while we are in Google Authenticator, we're going to scan this one. So I just go to my Google Authenticator app on my phone and then scan that, and then it will actually give me the code, and then you go next. So this is my security key, So all of you guys, you should not give anyone this one. I'll also blur mine for security purposes. And then after that, you click next, and then you'll click here to get the code. Now this code will send it to your email address. I have my email address. Now I'm going to check, and then I will show you. I'll just come and paste it here. Paste mine here, and then you're going to read the Google Authenticator from your phone. So it normally changes after 1 minute, so just going to write it down, and then you click next, and then Authenticator enabled. So back to security setting. Now what we've done here, we have done a two-factor authentication. You see, whatever you're logging into your account, you should have an added authentication for you to log into back into your account. Okay, so that is the best which Google recommends over here. So now we've verified our email, and we've verified our recommended Google authentication from Binance, whether Binance or Google. So you can do any of the two. So then after that, now this is our email. So here you're also going to set phishing code. I'm just going to show you what the phishing code will look like, so that any mail that you get from Binance, it should have this code. If you don't get this code from mail sent to you by Binance, then don't click any link from that mail, because this will now identify all your mails from the phishing mails. You know, some hackers up there wants to take over your account, and maybe you have all your money over in there. So let's do this. Create an anti-phishing code. Mine, I write this mine from this channel, this crypto. Then you're also required to do another authenticator code. You just go to your Binance where the authenticator is, then you just write it here. Then I'm done. Now Binance tells you that do not disclose your password or verification code to anyone, including the Binance support. Even if they come as a Binance support team, do not do that. So from this video, we've created our account, we verified our details from the government so that Binance know who we are, and then we've actually done the two-factor authentication. So when you log in from your email, then you also log in from the authentication code, and then lastly we've set the anti-phishing code. So whenever Binance send you any email, they'll just include the anti-phishing code over there, so that you know that this mail is from Binance. So from now henceforth, you'll now receive mails from Binance with your anti-phishing code. If any mail claims that they're from Binance and don't have that anti-phishing code, do not click. Okay guys, I repeat, do not click any email without the anti-phishing code that you've actually set. Now as you wait for verification, Binance may take some little bit of some time to verify your details, and after verifying your details, we'll now go to the next video where you'll now actually start trading. So if you're new to this channel, subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, because we produce video every single day. Let's meet to the next video.